Hello everyone, today we are making summer special easy dessert mango popsicle bites. Beat the heat with these mini mango ice pops. Looking for the ultimate refreshing summer treat? We are making the easiest and cutest mini mango ice pops. We have 2 mangoes. Let's cut it in cubes. Please write from which city or country you are watching me from. Subtitles are available in different languages. Please enable your subtitle according to your language. This recipe is super easy and incredibly delicious. My family's favorite, just grab and go. We finish it within no time. Once you will make it, you will love it too. In hot summer days, the best homemade cold dessert. Mangoes are superfruits packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In summer vacations, everyone is asking about cold dessert, ice cream, popsicles, ice lollies, cold coffees. Instead of giving junk food from the market, it's better to make cold dessert at home for your family. Nowadays, beautiful and ripe mangoes are in the market. Don't miss mango season and use it as much as you can because this is good for health also. Let's blend it to make puree. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 50 ml of milk and with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Let's blend the material. Our material is ready for the ice pops. Let's mix it well before transferring it in ice mold. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes. Let me know in the comments below what fruit flavor should we try next. If you don't have this type of mold, you can use any other mold, whatever is available at your home. Let's fill the ice pops with the prepared material. Let's insert toothpicks. Thank you for those brothers and sisters who are watching my videos and helping me to grow my channel. If any special recipe you like, you can write me in the comments. You can ask me any question regarding my videos. It's time to put it in the freezer. Freeze it overnight or for many hours. I kept it in the freezer for overnight. Let it stay in the water for 5 minutes before pulling it out. Otherwise, our toothpicks will come out. They are perfectly bite-sized and incredibly refreshing, and made with fresh, vibrant mango juice. No fancy popsicle molds required. Just grab some toothpicks and a tray and your favorite fruit blend. Yummy, beautiful, healthy, cold, easy dessert is ready for you. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe. Press the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos. I hope you will make it now and serve to your family and friends. If you have little one at your home, better to give them small portions. In hot summer days, enjoy this cold dessert. Remember to watch and subscribe for delicious recipes. Bye friends.